email outreach. This is how we do email outreach. We send one email and then we follow up, reply back on our email until the person replies. Right? I'm going to go in depth over here. I'm going to tell you about a little bit on my numbers. In the first year of when I was doing this B2B, I was doing email marketing. I was doing LinkedIn more. I sent 1,500 emails. I got 3 clients.
You were lucky.
Yeah.
You were lucky.
No, I'm going to show you why. I show you why. I figured out very early, and because I do other campaigns also. When I figured out the numbers, I could see, because I run campaigns with 3 friends, every 500 emails I sent, I get 1 new client. Right now, the KPI of all my people is send 500 emails a month under some quality standards. Otherwise, it won't work. But this is how predictable it can get. 500 emails, 1 new client. Especially in India, this is how much you guys can get. I know we have people targeting US difficult industries over here, right? They are a little more difficult, right? The only thing I'm afraid of कि वो email पे GST ना लगा दें, नहीं तो मेरा business तो गया, right? So, yeah. I'm going to show you a little bit in-depth numbers, how these numbers break down. Every 100 emails I send, 35% of them get opened. And this is geography and industry agnostic. If I'm targeting US, this is the numbers. If I'm targeting India, Dubai, any place, this is numbers. The only thing that varies is reply rate. Reply rate from, if I'm targeting US, this 10% will go to 1%. If I'm targeting Dubai, it will go to 3%. But then the reply to number of leads is someone is saying, I want to talk to you, come sell me stuff. That is 3%, 30% of this. These numbers remain the same. The only thing matters is reply. Okay. And also you need to understand these are not mass emails. These are one-to-one emails that are sent. So it's my personal Gmail, G Suite set up on an email and it's sent to one person. It's not a mass email, it's on a MailChimp. Right? It's not that. So I'm going to give you a little bit in-depth how it all looks like for you to get a feel. So this is targeting I did for, we were targeting chief human resource officers of 1,000 crore plus companies in India. So we added 700 people in which, this is how the numbers look like. 46% opened, these many people opened, 5% replied. People have a myth that people reply on the last emails. No, most people reply on the first email, right? Few bounced, and the people who replied or bounced did not go into the next email, right? So this is how the email sequence is. We bump on the same thing. The subject line I love is quick question about company or some version of this or person's first name over here, right?